We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our vegetarian chili packed with vegetables, black beans, and quinoa. Thanks to the perfect blend of spices, this chili will satisfy just about anyone. It's perfect for making ahead, too. Start with an onion and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Add the onion to a pan with oil and cook until sweet. While the onions cook, get the other veggies prepped. We need carrot, bell pepper, and sweet potato. Just chop them to a similar size as the onions. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is found on Inspired Taste. By the way, these are our favorite veggies to add to the chili, but feel free to add more. Before we move to the pan, we need some chopped garlic. We like a lot. Add the chopped vegetables to the onions and cook for another 5 minutes or until they begin to sweat. Now it's time for some flavor. Toss in minced garlic, chili powder, cumin, chipotle powder, and salt. Stir everything together until the pot smells fragrant. Now pour in chopped tomatoes and use a spoon to scrape the bottom of the pot. There is lots of flavor down there. Finally, stir in vegetable broth, black beans, and dried quinoa. Stir everything together and bring to a low simmer. Partially cover the chili and then simmer until the quinoa is cooked. Just before serving, to brighten up the flavors, stir in some chopped cilantro and squeeze in some fresh lime juice. And that's it. Delightful vegetarian chili loaded with veggies, beans, and quinoa. Enjoy!
You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.